Glock 18C. Ayun, testing naman natin guys sa full auto. And para na rin sa mga bashers ko. Alright, so ayun. Come here. Alright. So, 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Guys, so ayun, father and son banding, no? So, ayun, magpa-practice kami. Low budget na practical shooting using the gas, pistol gas blowback. Alright. So, we have here, meron tayo ditong high kappa, T-Rex high kappa ng WE. So, ito maganda to. Napaka solid ng putok niya. Tapos, ang lakas ng blowback niya. So, this is powered by green gas. Ayan. So, siguro yung kayang magkasya sa magazine nito na BBs around 20 to 22. So, isa to sa mga gamit. Isa to sa gamit ng anak ko. So, ayan. Hi, Chris.
Hi.
Okay. So, lagay natin sa holster. Alright. Pakita mo holster. Alright. Okay. So, alright guys. Ito naman yung gamit ko. I have here the Glock 34 Taran Tactical. So, meron siyang holster na pwedeng gamitin right and left. I have extra magazine. Ayan, pakita natin. So, ito yung Glock 34 ng Taran Tactical. Alright. Ito yung gamit ni John Wick 2. Sa John Wick 2 na movie. And also, I have here, pakita natin. I have here the WE Glock 18C. Alright. So, ang gagandaan nito guys, meron siyang full auto. Alright. So, equip din ng holster which is right and left. Alright. So, ito lang magazine nito, no? So, alright. Ayan. Low budget na practical shooting. Practical talaga siya kasi murang-mura lang. Gas lang yung bibilin mo bala compared sa totoong baril, no? So, yung totoong baril, kailangan mo pa ng LTAP or license to own firearms. Pero dito, ayan, basta di mo lang gamitin or for private usage lang, doon lang kayo sa bahay. Alright, pwede siya sa practical shooting. Alright, and hopefully, yan, yung anak ko, practice ko lang yung agility at saka marksmanship. Alright, so guys, titingnan natin kung kaya ba niya mag-handle ng high kappa, T-Rex high kappa WE gas blowback pistol. Alright guys, shooter ready?
Ready.
Stand by! Go! Good, good. Good, 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 good. 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 Grabe yung marksmanship. All right, give me 5. Okay. So, put your gun into safety. Ikaw. Okay, good.
Dahan ngayon makuha.
Alright, what's up guys? So, gamitin natin tong WE Glock 18C with full automatic. Alright guys, no? Ayan, titingnan natin kung kaya guys, no? First, marksmanship and then agility. So, and then para na rin to sa mga bashers ko. Alright, let's go! Okay, so this is Jay and this is Chris. Alright, Chris, pakita natin. Alright guys, so sa vlog namin ang totoong baril ginamit. Lahat gas blowback, so laruan lang siya. So powered by the green gas, alright. So magandang banding to, father and son banding. Ayan, para at least ma-practice naman yung anak ko. Kasi mahilig din ako maglaro ng airsoft. Yung anak ko mahilig maglaro ng Jill Blaster. Alright, so yun, banding. Medyo konti lang yung gastos compared kung gagala kayo or ibang lugar. So doon na lang kayo sa bahay nyo, laro ng airsoft, magkakaroon ba kayo ng banding. And medyo sanay na siyang gumamit ng barrel. So ngayon, gas blowback na lang muna. Alright? So hanggang dito na lang and thank you so much and God bless.